since the end of 2022, Discord has been adding lots of new features within its app, and of them includes some of the new Markdown text. So today I'm going to show you all of the existing Markdown texts, how to send them, and as well some of the hidden tricks you can use when sending those Markdown texts. Starting with the four most common formats, which are Italic, Bold, Underline, and Strikethrough. To send an Italic text, there are two different ways. One, you can either use the asterisk sign before and after the word or sentence that you want to be in the Italic format, or two, you can use the underscore sign instead of asterisk sign. Another way is by highlighting the word that you want to change the format of, and then you will get this pop-up from which you can select all of the other formats, including the Italic. You can also use the quick shortcut by highlighting the word and then pressing Ctrl+I, or I believe Command+I if you're on Mac. To send a bold text, you need to have two asterisk sign before and after the word or sentence that you want to change the format of. Again, alternatively, you can also highlight the word and then press B to turn that into a bold format, or you can press Ctrl+B if you're on Windows, Command+B if you're on Mac. To send an underlined text, there must be two underscores before and after the word or sentence that you want to be underlined. For this one, highlighting the word will not show the underline option in the pop-up. However, you can press Ctrl+U if you're on Windows or Command+U if you're on Mac to change the word or sentence into an underlined format. To send a strike-through text, you need to type in a symbol called tilde twice before and after the word or sentence that you want to be striked out. For most users, you can find this key at the top left of your keyboard right above the tab button. Alternatively, you can highlight the word and then use the strike-through button in the pop-up option. Now, let's talk about three different types of headers which can help you resize your text messages. Starting with a large header, you type in the £sign once and then whatever text you want to be in the large text. To send a medium header, you type in the £sign twice, following with whatever you want to be in a medium size. And lastly, as you have probably guessed, to send in a small header, you type in the £sign 3 times, ending with the text with whatever you want to be in a small size. However, that is not the smallest text you can send within Discord. There is something Discord recently added, which is also known as subheaders, and you can send that by typing in dash, a £sign, and then whatever text you want to be in the smallest possible size. The next one is called masked links, which is also known as hyperlinks. To send a masked link within Discord, you need to type in an open and closed square brackets, and right after that, a regular open and closed brackets. In the square brackets, you can type in whatever text you want to be shown to the members, and in the regular brackets, you can paste the link that you want users to be directed to. And that is how it should look. You can also send lists within Discord. To send a list, you simply type in dash, space, and then whatever you want to be in a list format. You can also use the asterisk key, space, and then whatever you want to be in the list format. You can also send sublist within Discord by typing in space, dash, space, and then whatever you want to be in the sublist. Do note that you need to have a list above sublist in the same message for the sublist to be shown. Otherwise, the sublist will be converted into a regular list. You can also send code blocks within Discord. There are two different types of code blocks. One is by just typing in a backtick before and after the word or sentence you want to be in a code block, and by doing that, it should turn that specific word with a darker background. For the second one, you need to type in the backtick 3 times before and after the text that you want to be in a code block. This type of code block is mostly used for sharing programming codes, where you can change the type of language right after the first 3 backticks by typing in py for Python, JS for JavaScript, or any other supportive computer languages available. However, do note that this code block will not be shown on your mobile devices as a colored format. For the next format, known as block quotes, you have to type in the greater than sign and then space, then you can type in whatever you want to be in a quote. You can also turn in multiple lines of messages into a single quote by typing in the greater than sign 3 times before you type in whatever you want and creating a new line. And lastly, you can use a format called spoilers. To send a spoilered text, you type in a symbol called pipe twice before and after the text that you want to be spoilered, which for most users you can find at the top of your enter key by pressing shift and the # key. By sending this, you're going to send a spoiler text, which user will have to click on the spoiler text to see the text that has been spoilered. Do you want to support this channel and help me out create more great contents and tutorials related to Discord? I have recently launched a YouTube membership plan to support this channel. You can get some great perks such as loyalty badge, which evolves over time, priority replies to your comments before others, members only polls to help me make upcoming contents and channel decisions, member shoutouts on my social media for supporting this channel, and a special role in my Discord server. Aside from that, if you have any other ideas you want me to make a video on or have a question, feel free to join my Discord server linked in the description below, or you can also comment down below. Now, if you want to learn how to send a colored message, I have made a video about it, which you can click on the top right here. Thank you for watching and peace out.